This is a 2011 Honda CR-V. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include a sunroof, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, leather seats, a passenger side airbag, latch-ready child seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, a pass-through rear seat, full power accessories, and this vehicle has less than 37,000 miles. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.